Welcome to our inspiring workout app tutorial, where you'll learn how to manage users and their workouts with ease. With our state-of-the-art app, adding and editing workouts is just a few clicks away, and you can be sure that your data is secure and reliable thanks to the use of cutting-edge technologies like React, Node.js, Express, and PostgreSQL. Our app is designed with user experience in mind, making it intuitive and easy to use. You'll be able to effortlessly add and delete users, and keep track of all their workouts in one place. Our app empowers you to take control of your fitness journey and stay on top of your workouts. We believe that fitness should be accessible to everyone, and our app is designed to make that a reality. With our app, you can take charge of your fitness goals and achieve the results you've always dreamed of. We're excited to see you succeed and reach your full potential with our app. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you're feeling inspired to try out our app and see the transformation in your fitness journey. If you have any questions or need support, we're here to help you every step of the way.